Hello everyone, Cara here from dekdesigns.com. So today I would like to show you some of our personal kits. I like to use it for my Webster's pages. So this is a Webster's Pages personal, and these kits fit perfectly in this baby, and I love them. Use them all the time. So you can get these kits punched if you would like. You just have to mention that you would like them punched. Or you can not have them punched and just order as is. So I always get them punched just so that the holes line up with the rings in my Webster's pages. So we'll start off with our dekdesigns.com sampler. So any order that you make on dekdesigns.com will come with this super cute sampler. It's foiled, it's absolutely adorable. And then if you use my promo code HART30, that's HART30 at dekdesigns.com, then you will save 30% off your purchase of $15 or more, and you will receive my exclusive freebie. So there's that. So this first kit I'd like to show you is our personal kit called Something Blue. So very Breakfast at Tiffany's. I absolutely love it. And like I said, I get this punched for Webster's pages. If you have a different kind of planner and you'd like it punched, you can always just say what kind of planner you have and that you would like it punched. If you don't want it punched, then you can just get it as is. So this kit comes with flags, checklist boxes, weekend, and then 4 deco boxes. So it's super cute. And then obviously this cute washi strip that's punched perfectly. You can just slip it over the holes in the Webster's pages and it fits great. I love it. So that's that. Then here we have Hot Pink Roses. I absolutely love this kit. My favorite colors. So you've got your 4 deco boxes, flags, checklist boxes, washi tape, strips, and once again punched for Webster's pages. Here we have Butterfly Queen. Absolutely beautiful. So these can be found at dekdesigns.com, and under kits you will see a section that is labeled personal. All of these can be found under the personal section. So here's cupcakes. You got the 4 deco boxes. Got our checklists. Checklist boxes, super cute, and again punched washi strips. I just absolutely love it. So one of these kits you can make last for 1 week, and you can stretch it out too. I've taken one kit, stretched it out for 2 weeks, or I've taken one kit and used it all for 1 week. So this is a kit that I have a tendency to just keep ordering and ordering because I absolutely love it, and I use it all in 1 week just because it's so pretty. The colors are just vibrant and beautiful. So we got all the same layout here. We got our 4 deco boxes, checklist boxes, flags. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is Lady in Red. Here's Turquoise Party. The colors on this, it's showing pretty well on the camera, but these are very vibrant in person. So here we've got same checklist boxes, flags. It's just absolutely perfect for my Webster's. I've seen people use them for TNs, you name it. It's just absolutely beautiful. Love is in the Air. This is one of my other favorite kits. I just keep ordering this over and over. It's perfect for anniversaries, weddings, Valentine's Day. Just absolutely beautiful. And these washi strips, I love deco boxes. The colors, just gorgeous. And I love what she did here with these checklist boxes. Super cute. Wild and Free. This is another super vibrant, amazing, beautiful kit. And the full-size kit is gorgeous as well. I just cannot get enough of it. So we've got our flags, quarter boxes, checklist boxes, deco boxes, weekend, and these super cute pre-punch washi strips. Just love it. And Fetch. Now, if you don't get the reference, Mean Girls. Love that movie. Absolutely hilarious. Probably shouldn't be hilarious, but I love it. So, here's the Fetch personal size kit from dekdesigns.com. We've got our flags, checklist boxes, 4 super cute deco boxes, and all of these do have full-size kits as well. So if you're not looking for a personal size kit, you can find these also on our website as a full-size kit. Instead of going into the personal section, just go under kits. And some of these are foiled, so some of these you will actually find under the foiled kits section. And then this is the last one I have for today. So I don't sweat, I sparkle. I absolutely love this. So there's just lots of super bright colors in all of these kits, and it just really brightens your day when you open up your personal size planner and you see these beauties. So once again, dekdesigns.com is where you can find all of these. We also have an Etsy site. It's called Plan to be Fab. So you can find us on there, or you can go to dekdesigns.com. If you go to dekdesigns.com and use my promo code HEART, HART 3030, HEART30, then you will not only get this super cute DEK Designs sampler, but you will also get my custom sampler as a freebie. And if you do our Plan to be Fab on Etsy, then just mention my name, Heart, in the comments, and you will also receive my exclusive freebie sampler. So thank you for joining us, and happy planning. Have a great night.